Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we're going to show you how to find a relay for the AC clutch on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2008 to 2017. Stay with us, guys, and we'll show you how to find the clutch for the AC compressor. If it doesn't work, check the relay, check the fuses. We have a different video which fuses correspond to the AC clutch. We'll be taking apart the whole vehicle, guys, so please subscribe. Many more videos to come, probably close to 200 videos on this car, and if you need anything, just let us know. Okay, so what we'll need to do, we'll need to open the hood and locate the front fuse box, the one in the engine compartment. Okay, so once you open the hood, guys, the fuse box is located, okay, right here. This is the fuse box. You have two things that you squish, one on this side, one here. Squish towards each other, okay, pull it out. Sometimes you get stuck, okay, in the hoses right there, but you'll come. On the back side, okay, let me get out of the sunlight, you can see the fuse numbers printed on the back side of the cover. So once you remove the cover, okay, we need to locate relay number 6, R6. R6 is this one, okay, right here, and this is the number on it. So we'll show you guys, okay, this one, it's a little bit hard to remove, so we need to sometimes you need to get the thin needle pliers, okay, to pull those things out. Otherwise, another trick will be to remove the big relay next to it, okay, this one, so you can access this one, and it's still pretty tight, but it's almost out. Definitely tighter than I thought. Okay, right there. And this is the number on it. Okay, this is the air conditioner clutch relay. If the AC compressor doesn't work, check the relay, check the fuse. And there is actually two fuses that correspond to it, and check if you have enough Freon. That's another major component if it's not working. So when you're ready, all you have to do, just push it in, install the new one, and this will be, guys, the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.